This is the Wuben X3. I already reviewed the Wuben X4 and the G5 and they were so good. I am now using them as part of my EDC collection. The Wuben X3 is a whole other thing in itself, and in this video I'm going to unbox it, show you what it can do, and of course also go outside in a very dark area and try to test it together with you. But first things first, why is the Wuben X3 so special? Well, it has some of the things that we have in our phones, such as wireless charging. Now imagine having a phone without wireless charging. This happens when you're buying phones that are, let's say, not flagships. But right now, a lot of the phones, even in the mid segment, they do have the wireless charging, something very, very important. But it has also some other extras, like a rotating head. You can rotate this thing and it's going to look very, very cool. Besides the fact that it's also very handy, it has magnets, it has a lot of things I want to show in this video. So let's buckle up and let's start. So this is it, the typical Wuben box, very fancy design, the Wuben X3. Here we have some of the specs. So white light and red light, yeah, because it's a dual LED flashlight. It can go up to 700 lumens in turbo mode. On white light we have different modes like high and also medium, low, strobe, SOS, and there is also the red light. We're now moments away from opening this thing, but check it. This is not a flashlight, it's Wuben everyday carry light. By the way, I like really the packaging is very, very cool. Alright, and then we have a very nice user-friendly manual. By the way, Wuben are spending quite some efforts on their manual. It's so easy to be able to understand things. And now, this is the flashlight. Alright, let's pull it from here and let's see what we have here. This is what I have in the white box. Guess what this thing is? You cannot really until I show you. Yep. This is a charging base with a USB-C port. Yeah, you can hook up your Wuben flashlight, the X3, to charge it from here. But that's not all. Everyday carry light innovator. This is the strip that they also included, and it looks really very, very cool. This thing looks durable, and it has some nice things inside. So when you press here, all right, let me just press here. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and it also comes here with a meter, so you can use this thing and try to measure. And that's not all, because on this side you have something else. If you still have the old lightning port and an old iPhone, you can also use this adapter. How do you put it back? Just take it like this and boom, you have your handle. And now back to the box, and here we have the unit itself. And this is the Wuben X3. This is so cool. First things first, remember the charging base that I have? Yep, you can put it there, and voila, from here you can charge up your flashlight. Now, first things first, Samsung LED here, the white one, and the red one is luminous. Wuben X3, by the way, it has a transparent design, wireless charging. I'm gonna test this. On this side, a very clean look. On the back side, guys, we have a clip, so you can use this to put it on your head or somewhere, you know, on your backpack. And then here again, a very clean right side. And now, guys, pay attention. On the top, we have something that looks weird. What is this thing? Well, let me show you. I'm gonna click once, boom. This is actually a very tiny OLED display. It's going to show you all the values here. Like right now, I'm using 1 lumen, and this thing here is the power indication, the battery. So right now, this is level 1, and you can see that it has this very nice blue glowing light. You might think it's a weird format, because usually flashlights, they work like this. But you know what? They call it the owl for a reason. Not only does it look like an owl, and also what you can do... You can do this thing, you can swivel the head 180 degrees and it will become a regular flashlight. This is the first mode, you can see this is 1 lumen. Alright, when I hold it like this, I'm gonna go in the level 2, which is 50 lumens. Alright, and you can see it gets a bit brighter. Now when I hold it once more, I'm gonna get to level 3, which is already 150 lumens. And then when I hold it one more time, I'm gonna go back to the first mode. What about the turbo mode? You know, just a double click here gonna get us to 700 lumens. All right, you can see this thing is very, very bright. One click will just turn it off. One click will just get us back in the mode. Now, what happens when you do a triple click? We're going to initiate the strobe mode. And you can see, by the way, it's going to show you a strobe mode. Turn it on. I'm now back to the first level, 1 lumen, and I'm going to triple click it to enter the strobe mode, you can see. And now I'm going to do another 3 clicks to enter the SOS mode. All right, so you can see it's a small thing, but it's feature packed. By the way, if you don't like this blue LED light here, just quickly press 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and boom, now it's going to be off. But remember, it has a dual head, which means that, yeah, there is another LED light. What can we do with this? So let me kill it off. right now I'm going to turn it up and I'm going to hold it here, and boom, we immediately engage with the red LED by Luminous. But the red mode has also two options. This is the brighter one, which you can see it is 80 lumens. Oops. And right now, if I keep holding it like this, we're gonna get to 1 lumen. So this is a real cool flashlight. It's very handy. It's, by the way, only 65 grams, and I'm looking forward to test it in the night. So let's do this. According to Wuben themselves, with the integrated 1000 mAh battery, you're able to get 30 hours if you want to use this with the 1 lumen setting. 6 hours if you want to use the 50 lumen setting, 2 hours if you use the 150 lumen setting. I was a little bit skeptic about the head here, and I was thinking like, this is a great thing to have, but my only downside with this was the fact that, yeah, it's very hard to do this with one hand, although, you know, you can master this, you know, it's absolutely possible. But I believe there is a reason for this. Just take a look at this and listen. This is absolutely marvelous. It feels so tight. It feels like a very good mechanism to have. It's not sloppy, you know, nothing really shakes. It's absolutely sturdy. And honestly, I'm quite happy with the way they designed this thing. So I'm going to leave a link down below and the video description if you want to check this out, guys. Also, check the review I did about the Wuben X4 and the Wuben G5 with the price tag of $48 US. I do believe this is a very good build and a very good flashlight. So for everyday carry stuff, yeah, this is it. This is the tiny OLED display, and I wanted to show this to you guys to do it justice, because honestly, when I shoot 4K 30, you know, it's not impossible, but it's very hard to capture this on the camera. And I do believe that this is a very nice addition to a flashlight like this, because it's going to give you the lumen indication, the level, and also the battery that you have left. Honestly, this is very, very good. Now I'm giving you a closer look at the two lens. This is a Samsung LED. The red one is a luminous one. The inside blue LED is also very cool. And remember that you can turn it off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks, and now it's gone. And I kind of like this translucent design. I mean, this really looks like something else. Remember about the magnets on the back? They're very cool and can help you keep this little fella in place. Also, the blue LED light is a very good option for a soft light, specifically when you go to the 1 lumen. And if you decide to buy the charging case accessory, you can use this as a soft lamp. This is gorgeous, and there is something very special with my version, which is actually the white version. Do you see something glowing here in the green? The moment you turn this off, it's going to glow with this shimmering green light, and this is only a specialty of the white version. Remember, right now it's turned off. I can switch it on and it's going to go to this nice blue light, and right now it's completely off, and this is going to glow for a certain amount of time. But again, it's only available with the white version. Isn't that lovely? Now let's talk about charging. Remember, we have a magnetic coil here. Yeah, you guessed it right. So the moment you put this thing on a wireless charger, you're gonna notice it's going to blink blue, which means, yeah, charging is working. And while you're charging it on your wireless stand, you can always check the battery. And this is how you can charge it with the attached charging base. So you hook it up to a USB-C cable, and that's pretty much gonna be it. Also, you're getting a very good indication of what is going on with your battery, and it's going to illuminate again in the very same blue color that indicates your flashlight is charging. And remember those magnets at the back? Yeah, you can hook it up to anything made out of metal, and you can use the X3 as a standing light, which is absolutely cool and useful. And now it's finally time to test the flashlight. So I'm gonna stop it. As you can see, it illuminates in this very nice green color. The moment you put it on, I'm gonna start with 1 lumen. So this is 1 lumen, all right? So I'm gonna hold a bit, going to level 2, which is 50 lumens, all right? So this is 50 lumens. Hold again, we're gonna get me to level 3, which is 150 lumens. If I double tap it, I'm gonna get the turbo mode, and this is actually very bright. It is 700 lumen. This is the maximum light that you can get from the Wuben X3. And now it's not going to be like this forever. Of course, after some time, it's gonna dim. Also something that I think is kind of cool. I'm right now using level 2 at 50 lumens and I'm gonna turn it off. The moment I put it back on, it's going to have memory. So it's going to directly start at 50 lumen. Let's do this one more time. So I'm gonna go to the 700 lumen. This is the turbo mode. And you can see this is the amount of light that you can get from this. A short comparison with my Phoenix keychain here. This thing can get really bright as well, and the maximum that you can do with this is 500 lumens. This is the maximum that I can do with my Phoenix keychain. Again, it's supposed to be only 500 lumens, but as you can see, it illuminates quite nice. And this is the Wuben X3. So you can see at 700 lumens, this is what I'm able to get from it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you want to check this product, I'm going to put a link down below in the comments. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.